Good evening, I'm Renardo Brown. We'll have the details right after this break. And welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Now, TVJ Sports understands that a team from Ryder Architecture and CAA Icon, the team that won the bid to carry out the renovation work on the National Stadium, will be meeting with officials of the Ministry of Sports and the Board of the Independence Park Limited IPL this week to update them on the plans for the execution of the project. The US $100 million project, which is being primarily funded by the government of Jamaica through a framework of a cooperation with the government of the United Kingdom, is expected to start next month, according to TVJ sources who spoke on condition of not being named. Officials of Ryder Architecture and CAA Icon, who are scheduled to arrive in Jamaica on Monday, will be meeting the IPL top brass on Thursday. Work to improve the now 63-year-old National Stadium has been in the pipeline for years. It is expected that the new-look National Stadium will boast modern facilities for anti-doping, modern lighting, new seating options, meeting and conference facilities, as well as new concession facilities, among other spectator facilities. The cyclotrack is also to be removed to facilitate more spectator seats, increasing the seating capacity to more than the current 28,500. Cricketing news now, as at sports time, Australia are 41 for 3, batting a second time in the day-night third test against West Indies at Sabina Park. They currently hold a lead of 127 runs.